Okay, so third series of this Andhra Pradesh general knowledge series. So first question was, the first jute factory in Andhra Pradesh was established in. The first jute factory established in West Godavari. So answer was B, West Godavari. The second question was, the first spinning mills in state was established in. First spinning mills state was established in the state was established in which districts? So district's name was East Godavari. So also answer was B, East Godavari. Okay, so third, the which year in which year was the first spinning mills established? You know about the spinning mills established in East Godavari. In which year? In which year? Do you know about the in year was 1915. So answer was A. Okay, the fourth question, the first weighing mill was established in, you know about this, name was Anandpur. Name was Anandpur. So answer was D. So answer was D. Okay, move on the next. Nizam sugar factory at Bodam was privatized in privatized in 2004. 2004. The first sugar factory in Andhra Pradesh was established in. The first sugar factory of the Andhra Pradesh in established in Vijayagram. Vijayanagar? Sorry, Vijayanagar, no, not a Vijayanagram. So answer was A. Answer was A. Okay, when were district industrial center established to serve the nodal agency in the district, assist the entrepreneurs of from the establishments of the industry. The date was, and date not asking, is asking the year. So what which year? So year, you can remember, year was 1978. Year was 1978. Okay, number 8. The government of the Andhra Pradesh launched the single desk policy in 2015. 2015. 2015. Okay, the Andhra Pradesh Micro Small Medium Enterprises Development Act was passed in 2006. Okay, the Krishna Cement Factory is located on Guntur. So answer was B. Answer was B. Okay, so move on next, source of energy. So what the source of energy in Andhra Pradesh and their related questions related to MCQ. Okay, there are a number of the project is going to hydroelectricity like Tungabhadra, Nizam Sagar hydroelectric project, Upper Selru, Lower Selru, okay, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, number of these. So not related to the description, I'm going to the direct use the MCQ related to sources of energy. So first question was the 1500 megawatt ultra mega solar power park is sanctioned from which of the following district of the Andhra Pradesh? Which of the following district of the Andhra Pradesh? You know the district's name is Uppad. Sorry for the if you are going to pronounce this Uppad, Pudpad. Anyway, answer was C. Okay. Muchkhand Muchkhand hydroelectric generation has started since 1955. Started since 1955. Okay. The Muchkhand hydroelectric generation is a joint venture of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. AP plus Odisha. Joint venture of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. So answer was B. Okay, the fourth one is the Tungabhadra hydroelectric power project generated the power with a share by the state of fourth state of the Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So answer was Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Answer was D. So Tungabhadra hydro electric power project is supplied power to both three districts. So answer was D. Both three districts. Okay, sixth question was asking the Nizam Sagar hydroelectric project is built on the river of, okay, Nizam Sagar hydroelectric power project. Hydroelectric project is built on the river of, you know about the river name was Mangjira. River name was Manjira River. Okay, Sri Salam project is located in Kurnool district. Located in Kurnool district. So remember Kurnool districts. Okay, so Nagarjun Sagar Dam is built on the river of Krishna. Built on the river of Krishna. So answer was C. And here answer was B. And here A. Okay. So at the Kutha Gudam thermal power station is located in Khammam. Located in Khammam. So answer was D. Khammam district. Power from the Nizam Sagar hydroelectric power project has been produced since 1936. Okay, so 1936. So move up the next part of this, the population and health of the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so Andhra Pradesh is the India largest population by population. You know, the answer was 10th. Answer was 10th largest state of by population. Okay, when was the King Albert Memorial Hospital, now known as Gandhi Hospital, established in 1851? Okay, so third one was what was the population density of the Andhra Pradesh as for 2011 data? As for 2011 data, population density was 304. Population density was 304. And what the sex ratio of the Andhra Pradesh as for 2011 census? The sex ratio was 997 and 997. 997. Okay, 4. Okay, the move at the fifth. During the 1991 to 2001, the rate of the population growth in Andhra Pradesh declined from declined from 21% to 11.8%. So remember this data, 28% to 11.8%. Okay, the Andhra Pradesh accounts how much population of this country? So the total population of this country is 4.1% of this total population of this country. 4.10%. So as per census 2011, the number of male population is Andhra Pradesh. The male population is 24.83 million. Okay. So as for census number of the female population, the number of female population was 24.75 million. Okay. So move up next. Which is the most populous district of the Andhra Pradesh? Most populous district was the name as East Godavari. Okay, the revised national TB control program was launched in 1995. So answer was 1995. So this was the related to the population. So move up next, education. So as for education, the Andhra Pradesh one of the best because the number of top engineering colleges in Andhra Pradesh like Jawaharlal Nehru Technical University, AI College of Engineering, Visakhapatnam, Sri Venkateswara Engineering, Tirupati, and AU, so, and then number of medical, one of the most medical colleges in Andhra Pradesh, like Andhra Pradesh Medical College, Guntur Medical College, Siddharth Medical College, Osmania Medical College, Gandhi Medical College, SB Medical College, Kurnool Medical College, and rest. Okay, so as for the national level institute, you know about the IM Visakhapatnam, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT. Okay, and you know about the Indian Institute of the Science, Education and Research, ICCR, IICR, number of university, and you also know the very famous university in the Indian Institute of Petroleum and Energy, Visakhapatnam, IIT Tirupati, okay, IIM Visakhapatnam, Indian Institute of Science and Education Research, Tirupati, KL University Guntur, Rashtriya Sanskrit Vidyalaya, Vidyapit Tirupati, one of the most famous Sri Padmavati I think Sri Padmamati, something's name was Yogi Yaman University. So this is the famous university. So let's discuss other questions. So education related. The first question was what the literacy rate of this literacy rate at the 2011 census data. So it was the 16.41. It was 67.41%. Okay, the ISRO Satish Dhawan Space Center located in districts. Located in district, you know what the location in Nellore district. Okay, Nellore district. The India first Gramin Cyber Center was launched in mostly Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so who of the following started monthly magazine in 1883? So the name was Kandukuri Birasalingam. And which of the following was the publisher of the first Telugu journals in Satyaduta? So name was the Krishna Association of Balleri. Christian Association of Balleri. Okay, the sixth here. The Christian Association of Balleri published the first Telugu journal, and what the name? So you know the name was Satyadut. Name was Satyadut. So okay. Who of the following translated Dasrathi Satkam in English? Dasrathi Satkam in English. There is the one of the famous book. The the people name was Dr. Bhanumati Ramakrishna. So answer was Dr. Bhanumati Ramakrishna. Okay, moving next the C.P. Brown Memorial Trust Library located in C.P. Brown Memorial Trust Library located in, so is located in Pudupa district. Okay. Siddharth Medical College was situated in Siddharth Medical, one of the best is located in Vijayawada. Okay, so 10th was the where the Acharya Nagarjun University was located. Acharya Nagarjun University located in I think Guntur. So cross check this Guntur. So move at the next art and culture related to the first. You remember this one of the famous festival of Andhra Pradesh state level, the International Kite Festival. When was Hyderabad, and Deccan Festival Hyderabad, and Festival of the Andhra Pradesh Formation Day of the celebration Andhra Pradesh, and you know the number of the dances related to the Andhra Pradesh. So you know Andhra Natyam, Kuchipudi, and the Parani Shiva Tandavaram. Okay, so otherwise take the question. The dash is the state best known as classic dance from. Classic dance from is known as Kuchipudi. The dance name was Kuchipudi. What actually? Kuchipudi. The Saidani Ma ki Dargah was constructed in. Saidani Ma ki Dargah was constructed in I think 1883. Constructed in 1883. Okay, when the Sikandrabad Club was established, it established in 1878. Established in 1878. 1878. Where the Meswaram temple dedicated to Lord Shiva is located in Amravati. It's located in Amravati. Okay, it's located in Amravati. Okay, the Ketana famous poet in the Kakatiya times it earns the Abhinav Dandi by the rendering into the Telugu to Sanskrit work titles. Is what name? So name was Das Mura Charitam. Okay, Das Kumar Charitram. Das Kumar Charitram. Okay, which of the following has the authored by the Kancharela Ganappa Gopanna? sorry, Gopanna. So answer was Dasrathi Satkam. And the seventh was in which following works has the city Warangal has been very dividedly and described. So describe for the Krid Biramam. Krid Biramam. Difficult for the points. Okay, Pakala Someswaram temple is located to Amalpur. Located to Alampur. Sorry. Alampur. Okay. So next ninth one. Uh, which of the following temple is Andhra Pradesh is the only temple to have two flag posts? Two flag posts. So name was Yadagiri Sri Lakshmi Simha temple. Okay. Yadagiri Sri Lakshmi Simha temple. Lakshmi Narsimha temple. Okay. So 10th was where is the C.P. Brown Memorial Trust Library in Andhra Pradesh? It's in Kudapada. Okay, so next segment was related to transportation and communication. Next segment was transportation and communication.